Today, Southern Gardening is at Cedar Creek Farm in Lucedale, Mississippi, checking out some of their Amstel Begonias growing in their greenhouses. Amstel Begonias are a series of Rieger begonias, which were developed by crossing a tuberous begonia with a wax begonia. These begonias have a mounding form, typically reaching about 12 inches tall. The flowers are typically double or semi-double, with multiple layers of petals that give them a ruffled appearance. They are borne on long, sturdy stems that emerge from the center of the plant. One of the things that makes Amstel begonias so popular is their long blooming period. They can produce flowers in clusters for several months at a time, making them a great choice for people who want to add some color to their indoor space during winter and early spring. The leaves of these plants are typically dark green and glossy, with a slightly waxy texture. Amstel Blitz is quite striking, with small and delicate, bright yellow flower petals with soft pink highlights. My favorite in the Amstel series is Amstel Carneval. Its beautiful bicolor orange flowers with yellow centers definitely will brighten up any indoor space. It is important to keep this plant in a warm environment, as it does not do well in temperatures below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, even in the greenhouse setting, these begonias are very attractive. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.